Hello lovely people, welcome to my channel. Thank you for clicking my video. In this video we shall be looking at how to download Facebook videos without using any application. Yes, this time around, if your Facebook download option is not showing and you are wondering how you can download your videos, then this video is very helpful for you. So I will need you to pay attention and follow me step by step. The method I'll be teaching you guys today is very simple. So you need not to root your device, so this works in every country, so it doesn't matter your location. Now before we start, if today happens to be your first time on this channel, just subscribe and also turn on the notification icon and be part of this wonderful family, so that every time I upload a new video you might be the first person to watch it. Now without wasting much time, let's get started. Now in the first place, all you need to do is to open your Facebook and then select the video you want to download. Once you open your Facebook, you can see the three dot at the upper right corner. Click on that and you can see copy link. Now copy the link of the video you want to download, and once you are done, all you need to do is to open your browser. Now once you open your browser or your Google, all you need to do is to search for this. So just wait as it is loading. Once you open your browser, then you search for Snap Save. So just search for Snap Save. So just search for Snap Save. So you can see over here Snap Save. Now once you click on Snap Save, you can see the first link over here. Once you click on the first link, all you have to do is to paste the link of the video over here. Now once you have paste the link of the video, all you need to do is to click on download, and once you click on download, you can see it is loading. So just wait as it is loading over here. Now once it has finished loading, you can see you have to select the resolution of the video. So you can see over here you have to select the highest resolution. So just select the first one and then click on download. Now this video will be downloaded into your gallery. So with this you can download every video on Facebook. Even you can download every short video into your gallery using this trick. I hope this video is very helpful. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and also turn on the notification button so that anytime I upload it